CIS control number 8 is centered around protecting yourself against malware. The Center for Information Security's Critical Security Control number 8 focuses on malware defenses. But what is malware exactly? Malware is a type of malicious code or software designed to gain access to or damage a system, a device, or your data without your knowledge or consent. The effects of malware can negatively impact a computer's performance or result in the theft or loss of critical data. Luckily, there are defenses to help protect systems and data against malware attacks. The Center of Information Security offers the following best practices. Install anti-malware antivirus software that automatically pushes updates to all servers and systems in your environment. After applying an update, automated systems should verify that each system has received its signature update. Run automated tools that continuously monitor and periodically scan your workstations, servers, and mobile devices with antivirus, anti-spyware, and personal firewalls. Ensure all malware detection events are sent to Enterprise Anti-Malware Administration tools and logged on Enterprise Event Log servers. By taking these simple steps, your organization will be better secured against malware attacks. Contact OCG Tech today with any questions and to find out more about the Center for Internet Security Top 20 Critical Security Controls.